Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to add the YouTube videos to your Google Slides by using a link on your Google Slide. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
How to add a YouTube video into the Google Slide is just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just need to click on the insert option on the top. Now you just need to click on the video. Now you will have option to search anything from YouTube. For an example, I just going to search about the technology or any trailer. You just click, it automatically shows, and you just need to click it. It automatically insert. You can see the video has been inserted here, and here you will have this advanced option. You can just resize it, and I can also insert my YouTube video. So I just going to copy my URL, and now just click on the insert and click on the video. Now here you just want to paste the URL and just enter it. So now you can see my video. Just click it and you will see option to insert on the bottom. Just click insert. So the video has been inserted now, and you can see you can just resize the video size by using tracking option. And here in the side you will have the format option. So play on click, while you how the video should be played, you can manually use this play automatically. So play on click, it will shows, but you just want to play to click to play, and here play automatically, which automatically play or play manually. These are the options. So while clicking it will show, and you can also use the starting point and also the ending point. You can just choose it. You can mute the audio while playing the video. While playing the video, you can mute the audio by using this option. And here also advanced option for size and rotation and position, and also the drop shadow can also be added. So these are the options to insert the YouTube video. This is how you just insert the YouTube video in your Google Slide. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video, which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.